Look at what I accidentally tipped over. There are 3 of them. I know, Mama. I know. I'm going to stop for now. I'm going to set them over to the side here. You're going to be okay. All right? You're going to be okay, little one. Get it back in there. Yes, there you go. There you go. I'm just going to scoot you over here to the edge. I know I shouldn't do this. There you go, babies. It's not a whole lot, but it's a little bit more. Let me get this garbage out from here. It's part of why I wanted to clear this out. Garbage. Okay. There you go. Mom, I am so sorry. I am so sorry. There's your babies. There's your babies. I'm steering clear of them for the rest of the afternoon, okay? I'm going to try and clean up my mess. But hopefully that's enough camouflage. I am so sorry, Mama. He's over here, Mama. This is probably a terrible idea, but make sure it gets close to the nest. There. You're at least close to home, baby. You're close to home.